Good morning, students. Today we will see the packages which are used in a VHDL or what is actually the packages. The packages contain user defined data types, constants, component, function, procedures. Allows the code sharing, partitioning, reuse. Packages has two parts. One is package declaration, which is mandatory, and package body. It is required when you declared functions and procedures inside your package declaration. Whenever you talk about any package, first you must note that you have to compile that package with certain library. Means you can say that if you see a hierarchy, there are different types, components. These types and components are placed in a package. There might be so many packages and such a packages are put in a library. This is the thing, means at the top there is a library. Inside a library there are packages, and inside packages there are the different things such as type, then you can say components, functions, procedures. All these things will be over there. Like whatever our VHDL code is over there, the packages also has a syntax. If you see a very start of our notes also, in the notes also this thing I have given as a design unit. I have explained package as a design unit of VHDL. Like entity and architecture. Like that, the package is also one sort of design unit in a VHDL. Here you can see syntax as well as an example of a package. The name of the package is my package, and inside this package there is a type declaration, a constant declaration, a component declaration. This package doesn't contain a function declaration, but you can declare a function also inside a package. But I told you that if you declare any function inside a package, then package body is an essential thing. This is an example, another example of package. Now the name of this package is my package, and in this package the component XOR1 is being declared and the function rising age is also declared, and here the end my package 1. Quite obvious. I told you that whenever you declare a function you need a package body. Hence for this my package it is essential to write the package body. The package body my package 1 is function rising age signal S, that is std logic. Here in or out is not being written. I told you the difference between function and procedure. If it is a function, by default everything which you are going to write is as an input, okay, and written boolean is begin, written static event and s is equal to 1, that is it will return whether it is a true or false, and rising age because written type is an boolean. End my package. Here only I want to specify that whenever you declare a package which contain function or procedure, it is essential for you to declare the or to write the package body. Now how to use the package? I already told you that whenever you write any package, that package must be compiled to a library, okay, or it is saved in a certain library. Here this my package is saved in the work library. Now you understood by looking toward these two statements. First is actually there you must write library work also, okay, library work also. Here it is being written library IEEE then use IEEE.std_logic_1164.all and use work.mypackage1.all. What you understood from these two statements? You understood that, quite obvious, the mypackage1.all is being used in my code. It will be used in my code. And also you understand that std_logic_1164.all is nothing but a package which is included in the library IEEE. That is also implied in this. Okay. Now the example entity add is here. If you see that the component XOR1 is not declared in the declarative part of an architecture add1. Why it is not declared? Because this declaration must be contained in the package my package. It must be in the my package 1. Then it is not essential to write over here or in the declarative part of an architecture because it is combined over there. Similarly, this is another example. Here the D flip-flop is being written, and if you see that there is no declaration of the function rising edge in the architecture of D flip-flop. Okay, rising edge is must be over there in the my package 1.all. It must be over then, and then this code will work. Okay, this is about the package. Thank you.